Okay, this is what the inside looks like with the hood liner off. It's probably not the best, obviously, but up in this back corner, where was it? You can't see it, I'll show you on the liner, but the 3 clips there, so they've got to be popped out. Sorry, I'm not even showing you. There's 3 clips there. And that's where the back, you got to get your hand up between the glass and the actual cardboard and gently pull down. So yeah, and these edges on the A-pillar here, just you've got to sort of get it past them first, and the whole thing will slide forward as you're pulling down, and just be very careful. For what I've learnt now, knowing more, I probably would have got someone else to do it, but these hidden things you don't know about. And I'll go show you the liner. So that's the tool I use, about a 4mm hex head, battery drill, that's the liner out, so it's like a cardboard, hard cardboard type shell. That's the old liner. This here, I've gone over it with a spatula, not the steel one, just a little bit with the steel one, mostly like a plastic spatula. You got to get all this yellow. You can get more and more off, this yellow off. Then I've used that brush to help get all the furry stuff off. Be a Stanley knife later to cut out the new holes. I'll put you could put it on top of that and cut them out previously, but I'm going to put it on once I glue it. And one tip I did see is spray your glue on the whole thing and lay half your new coverage down to here, and work that on first, and then lay your second one on. You got to spray your glue on first. There's better videos, and I'm not showing you at the moment, but yeah, you spray your glue on here, spray your glue on the new fabric, and you let it set for, as the instructions say on your spray can of adhesive, probably 10 minutes. You let it cure, and then you stick it to this. And on this side here, this is the part you can't see, and they're the terrible lighting. They're the clips I was talking about. So you've actually got to get your hand up in here between the glass and pry down very gently, and those clips will pop out, because as you can see, you can't see them from the other side. So that's the bottom, which is the windscreen. And then you've got these padding here, insulation padding. They help stop vibration and whatnot. Another thing along the front here, when you do try to pull it off, the power runs up through the A-pillar. It's in behind that plastic cover to your the right steering wheel. It's actually glued, stuck to this liner, and it's glued all the way through there. So you're gonna have to, same thing, get your hand in between the front windscreen and just try and lever it off. And yeah, there's no need to undo the wiring from the bracket inside. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, from what I've just experienced, I'd probably get someone to do it if you're not that well, handy, I suppose you can say, because this material can snap. It will fold and snap if you put too much pressure on it. And yeah, you can see there it's a little bit of a pressure joint there. So it's firm, but it will. There's another crease where I've probably strained it a little bit too much through there. Anyway, I'm going to apply the new one, and hopefully that helps someone out.